Welcome. You are watching the campus news from Holy Cross College Nagercoil. News for the month of January 2025. The 6th of January 2025. Guest House Inauguration. The college guest house, constructed out of generous contribution of alumni, donors and well-wishers, was opened by Reverend Sister Fatima Qatar, the animator of Madurai province. The 7th of January 2025. Inauguration of Heritage Paddy Sanctuary. The Heritage Paddy Sanctuary, a joint initiative of the Department of Botany and Create an organization based on Madurai, was inaugurated by Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, and Mr. Ponnambalam, the managing trustee of Create Trust. The sanctuary houses 80 heritage paddy varieties and serves as a living preserve of traditional knowledge for both the students and local community. The 9th of January 2025. Tulsi Garden and Herbal Plant Exhibition. A garden of Tulsi, a dedicated space for conserving 28 varieties of Tulsi, a plant with medicinal and spiritual significance, was inaugurated by Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, the secretary of the college. The initiative strengthens the efforts of the department to promote awareness and research based on herbal medicinal plants. The 11th of January 2025. Pongal Celebration. Embracing the rich cultural tradition of Tamil Nadu, the harvest festival of Pongal was celebrated at our college premises. Dr. Sister Francie, the vice principal of our college, together with the members of the teaching, non-teaching fraternity and student community, participated and relished sweet Pongal made in the Pongal festival. The 23rd and 24th of January 2025. A++ accreditation from NAC. On the 23rd and 24th of January 2025, the NAC peer team, headed by the chairperson Dr. Preeti Agarwal, the Vice Chancellor of G.H. Raisoni University, Amaravati, Maharashtra, the member coordinator Dr. Begari Muniswamy, a professor from Andhra University, Visakhapatnam, and the member of the team, Dr. Surendra Kaur, the principal of Khalsa College for Women, Amritsar, evaluated the quality parameters of our college based on the 7 criteria for quality parameter instituted by NAC, which includes several aspects of curriculum, teaching and learning processes, research, infrastructure, student support, governance, extension activities, and best practices. The 2-day peer team visit had a lineup of organized presentations by the principal of the college, IQAC, and various departments, highlighting academic achievements and innovations of the institution. The 3 halls of excellence, academic, entrepreneurial, and service learning, along with a cultural extravaganza by the students, drew the attention of the peer team. As part of their visit, the peer team also interacted with the teaching and non-teaching fraternity, student community, alumni, parents, employees, and stakeholders, reviewed documentation and inspected campus facilities. After a thorough evaluation and based on the report submitted by the peer team, our college was awarded A++ with a CGPA of 3.53 in the 5th cycle, making it the first college in Kanyakumari district to receive the highest accreditation grade. The 26th of January 2025, Republic Day celebration. In the 76th Republic Day celebration of our country at our college premises, the chief guest, Father Nithya Sahayam from the Kota Diocese Nagercoil, unfurled the national flag. The celebrations, which was graced by Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, and Dr. Sister Francie, the vice principal of the college, and attended by the members of teaching and non-teaching staff and student community, vouching for patriotism that runs deep in the college community, was coordinated by NSS program officers. The 28th of January 2025, Vanavil Angadi. The latest edition of the Vanavil Angadi or Campus Bazaar, an ongoing initiative to cultivate and boost entrepreneurial mindset in the students, was inaugurated by Dr. P. Ravindran, the Joint Director of Collegiate Education, Tirunelveli, in the presence of Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, the Secretary of the college, and Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the Principal of the college. The bazaar, with 17 stalls on display selling varieties of delicacies and handcrafts made by the students, was organized organized by the Deanery of Entrepreneurship Development in collaboration with the institution's Innovation Council. The 30th of January 2025 Campus Recruitment Drive. In a 3-round selection process of an on-campus recruitment drive conducted by BDM Technology with branches in Nagercoil and Coimbatore, 21 students of our college were successfully selected. On the same day, the Department of History organized Historia 2025, an intercollegiate competition to commemorate National Authors Day. Mr. Anish Darrell, an executive director of Darrell 3D, and Ms. Shobha, an alumna of the college, served as judges of the competitions. Dr. Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, gave away the prizes to the winners of Historia 2025. The institution's Innovation Council of our college received the prestigious 4-star rating for the 4th year in a row for the academic year 23-24 by the Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell, Government of India. These are the latest from the campus. Holy Cross College Nagercoil takes pride in its winning streak that continues in each day and every minute of the year. Stay tuned until we meet in another edition of Campus News. Thank you.